Welcome to qnawire.
Hello, today we'll be continuing our discussions on probability distributions with this example of a distribution represented by an equation and various x values. And we will be writing this distribution out as a table form based on this equation, as well as determining if the resulting distribution is a probability distribution versus just a arbitrary distribution of some sort. Now, first, you must remember that all probabilities in a probability distribution must be between 0 and 1, and they also must sum to equal 1. And with those two rules in mind, let's go ahead and start writing out our table for this distribution. So on top, we have our random variable denoted by x for our upper row. And for our second row, we have p of x as our probabilities of each x value. And for our equation today, our x values that are represented are 0.1, 0.02, and 0.04. And our p of x values for each x value, when plugging them into the equation of p of x equals x plus 0.1, for the first one, we get p of x equals 0.2. For our next one, we get 0.21, we get 0.12, and for our third one, we get 0.14. And now we see that all of our probabilities in this distribution are between 0 and 1. So our first rule is followed. And now we need to calculate our total for this distribution. And our total, when we add it all up, is 0.2 plus 0.12, which becomes 0.32, plus 0.14 means 0.47, so 0.47. And so unfortunately, that means our second rule for probability distributions, that the sum of all of the probabilities must equal 1, is